What's up, Gadget Squad? As you could already hear, the police are on their way. Help is needed. What do you do when your brand new Zippo comes in but doesn't spark? To prevent a phone call to 911, let me explain what has to be done. For a spark to be created, the flint wheel here needs to strike the flint. And since we see that there's a flint wheel, we need to check on the flint spring, which we'll access through the bottom of the insert. And look here, the entire flint spring is missing, which leaves nothing for the wheel to strike. Here's a fully constructed insert and what a spark should look like when the wheel strikes the flint. It could be a little difficult to find a flint spring that fits a Zippo, so I'll link the one I ordered in the description. Okay, let's set up the spark now. First, grab your flint and insert it into the tube. Next, insert the flint spring into the tube and then screw it in. As you can see, the flint and the wheel are now making contact, so let's make the spark. As a reminder, just remember that every Zippo lighter is backed by the famous lifetime guarantee. So if your Zippo doesn't come with a spark or has any other impairments, you can always send it in and Zippo will fix it for free. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more content and stay safe. Peace.